Good morning, Deanna.
Good morning.
Hey. Good morning, Zayden. Hello, Bishop. Morning, Nakia.
Morning.
Did you talk to either of those managers yesterday?
I did.
All right. Do you have an interview set up or?
For the Sally Beauty one, she said I have to be like out of school for that one. And for the Foster's girl, like he stepped out, but he never called me back. So.
Call him again.
Okay.
All right. You got to push. You know, they're not going to do anything. If you want it, you just got to go get it. You know. Good morning, Shania.
Morning.
Hi, Lindsay. Hi, Jaden. Morning, Donovan. Morning, Javion. Hello, Anaya. morning, Crystal. Why does a chicken coop have only 2 doors? Because if it had 4 doors, it would be a chicken sedan. A sandwich walks into a bar. Bartender says, "Sorry, we don't serve food here." Morning, Victoria. I got a new job last week as the new top dog at Old McDonald's farm. I'm the new CIEO. CIEO. Why did the giraffe get such bad grades? He always had his head stuck in the clouds. Morning, Giovanni.
Hi, Mr. Weiss.
Good morning. Why are frogs always so happy? They eat whatever bugs them. Whenever you jump on a trampoline, did you know it changes the season? No matter what time of year, it always becomes springtime. Why didn't the skeleton go to the dance? Because he had no body to go with. Well, only people who are familiar with music will get this one. What do you call a musician with problems? A trebled man. You know how on a speaker there's the treble and the bass. Hello, Mackenzie. Where do snowmen keep their savings? In the snowbank. Good morning, Andrea. What do you call a religious person who sleepwalks? A Roman Catholic. Did you hear about the carrot detective? He always got to the root of every case. All righty. Good morning, Leonard. So when I'm done with the lesson, the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is please, please, please check your grade book. If you have a 0 and there's an assignment that you did and I didn't give you credit for it, I need you to tell me today during class. I'm going to have your grade book open, my grade book open, and I'm going to fix every grade that's not exactly perfect. Okay? So I will need you to tell me if you have any grade that's a 0 that you did the assignment and I didn't give you credit for it. Okay? Because I'm submitting my grades tomorrow. So that will be it. I won't be changing them. All right. Exponential equations. Oh my God, that sounds really hard. Find the value of the question mark. 8 equals 2 to the what power? In other words, 2 times 2 times 2 times, how many times do I do 2 before I get 8? Well, 8, oops. Eight equals 2 times 2 times 2. So 8 equals 2 to the third power. So question mark is just 3, the third power, right? Thumbs up if everyone understands what I'm talking about there. Good morning, Stalin. Thank you, Nakia, Shania, Deanna, Javion, Anaya, Ivani, Bishop, Andrea, Victoria, Leonard. Thank you. Okay, very good. 81 equals 3 to the what power? 81 equals 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is 81. 81 equals 3 to the fourth power. 4 is my answer. I know what you're thinking. You're thinking, yeah, Weiss, it's going to get harder than that. I know. Bear with me. Hang in there. It's all right. 64 equals 4 to the what power? 64 equals 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. 64 equals 4 to the third power. 3. 125 equals 5 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. One 125 equals 5 to the third power. 3. Okay. Now look how easy this is. 5 to the x equals 5 to the third. As long as this base, these bases are the same, then this equals this. X equals 3. Done. Weiss, I know it's not going to be that easy. I know. Just hang in there. 7 to the x equals 7 to the 31. X equals 31. Just to be absolutely sure. Everyone understand what I'm saying there? You understand how that works? Thumbs up. Thank you, Nakia, Shania, Javian, Bishop, Deanna, Anaya, thank you. Giovanni, Mackenzie, thank you. Okay. Andrea, thank you. Very good, very good. Good morning, Hannah. Good morning, Jaden Munoz. Okay. So here, looks hard, right? The idea here, all you have to do is make the bases the same. We need to make this number and this number the same. So what's 8? 8 is 2 to the what power? 2 to the third power, right? So 2 to the third power equals 2 to the 2x minus 5. Okay. Can I please have a thumbs up if everyone sees what I just did right there? Bishop, Shania, Javion, Anaya, Deanna, Mackenzie, Leonard, thank you. Andrea, thank you. Victoria, Hannah, thank you. Okay. Jaden Harris, Zayden, Kia, you good? Donovan, you good? Okay, Jaden Munoz, Jaden Harris, thank you. Donovan, thank you. Nakia, thank you. Okay. Giovanni, thank you. Okay. So now, no problem. Now we just say that 3 equals 2x minus 5. Add 5 to both sides. You know what to do here. 8 equals 2x, divide by 2. X equals 4. Piece of cake, right? Can I have one more thumbs up to make sure we're still good? Thank you, Anaya, Bishop, Javion, Nakia, Deanna, Hannah, Jaden Munoz, thank you, Andrea,
I have a
thank
quick
you.
question.
Ask away, go ahead.
Okay, so why did the 2 to the third turn into a 3?
So the idea is this. The idea is I need the base number to match this number, okay? So what happened before? Before, see how these numbers are exactly the same, right? These numbers are exactly the same. But here, in this problem, these two numbers are different. I have to make it so they're the same. Well, I know that 8 is 2 to the third power. Usually, not always, but usually, I'm going to make this number here the same as this number. Sometimes I'm going to have to change both numbers, but in this case, 8 is 2 to the third power. So now this number matches this number. Shania, does that answer your question?
Not really. Like,
Okay.
why did that turn into a 3 at the bottom though? Like 2 to the third turn into a 3.
Oh, because 8 equals 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So it takes 3 2's to make 8.
Mm-hmm.
If that was a 16, that would be 2 to the fourth. If it was 32, that would be 2 to the fifth, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32.
Okay, so if it were 16, right?
Yeah,
It
would
would
be 2
turn
to the fourth.
into it would turn into 4 at the bottom.
Yeah, then this number right here, that would be a 4 if it was 16.
Okay, cool.
Huh?
It's cool. I got it.
That's cool. You're good? Okay.
Thank you.
No, thank you for asking. Appreciate that. That is a good question. Because that is the key to this entire thing. All right. In fact, Shania, I'm not trying to put you on put you out there. Can you tell me, all right, if you're good, what am I going to do with 81? Can you tell me what I'm going to make that?
You're gonna try to make it the same as 3.
This, right? Yeah. So it is going to be 3, but 3 to the what? And if you don't know, that's okay. Do you have like your phone calculator next to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want you to open the phone calculator and I just want you to type 3 times 3 times, so just hit 3 times 3, that's 2, right? And then hit times, see how there's a 9 before you hit 3 again?
Mm-hmm.
3 again.
So it's 4.
Yes, exactly. Very good. All right. So all you do is you keep hitting 3 until you get 81, and you hit 3 4 times, which is equal to 3 to the 3x minus 11. Now I'm done with the 3's. I can just say, okay, 4 equals 3x minus 11. Does that make sense, Shania?
So the 3's cancel out.
They basically cancel out, because if you think about it, if I were to say 3 to the, I don't know, 7 equals 3 to the 7, I mean, it has to equal the same thing, right? So 7 equals 7. If I said 3 to the x equals 3 to the 7, x has to be 7. Because in order for it to be equal, then these two guys have to be the same. Right? I mean, that hopefully just makes sense, right?
Yeah.
So yes, the 3's just cancel out. Once the bases are the same, once I say that this number and this number are the same, I don't need them anymore. I can just focus on the exponents.
Okay.
Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. Add 11. Add 11. 15 equals 3x. Divide 3. X equals 5. May I please have another thumbs up to convince me we're still okay? Anaya, Shania, Nakia, Javion, Bishop, Deanna, Stalin, Mackenzie, Hannah, Jaden Munoz, Leonard, thank you. Very good, very good, very good. Okay. Honestly, Jaden Harris, thank you. Honestly, that's the hardest it gets. Okay. It's really not going to get harder than that. Okay. All right. Same thing here. 64. I'm going to change that to 4, right? Because I have 4 here. So I'm going to change 64 to 4. 4 to the what? If I don't know, I'm going to type on my calculator. 4 times 4 times 4. Boom. There it is. 4 to the 3rd power equals 64. Oh, okay. So now, like Shania says, the 4's cancel out, if you want to say it that way. I'm okay with that. 3 equals 5x minus 7. Add 7. 10 equals 5x. Divide 5. X equals 2. T for 2 and 2 for T. Me for you and you for me. Got a T for 2 and 2 for T. You didn't really want to see me dance, did you? Okay. Fine, 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 fine. I won't dance. Sometimes I just gotta. All right, here we go. 125 equals 5 to the 4x minus 9. Okay. 125 is 5 to the what power? 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 5 is 125. Okay, 5 to the 3rd equals 5 to the 4x minus 9. Okay. So Goodbye to the 5s, and 3 equals 4x minus 9. Add 9. 12 equals 4x. Divide 4. X equals 3. There you go. Ooh. Okay, so look at this. 27, 9 times 9 is 81, so 9 isn't going to work. Hey, Shania, can you guess what number I'm going to use here since 9 won't work over here?
3.
I'm going to, what?
3.
Yes. Yes. So in other words, 9, right, is 3 to the second power, right? 3 times 3 is 9, right? So I'm going to put this, I'm going to just bring it right down. X plus 3. I need a thumbs up. Is everyone okay with that move I just made there? Anaya, Shania, thank you. Deanna, Lindsay, Jaden, Mackenzie, Hannah, Andrea, Javion, thank you. Okay, okay, okay. So 27 is 3 to the third power. 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Bring down the x, right? So there, the bases are now the same, right? So like Shania says, they cancel out if you want to say it that way. And I have 2 times x plus 3 equals 3x. Okay. Distribute. Yum. 2x plus 6 equals 3x. Notice I have x on one side and x on the other side. So I'm going to not minus 6, but I'm going to minus 2x, right? Okay. And x equals 6. Piece of cake. Can I have another thumbs up, please? Are we still good there? Javion, thank you. Shania, Lindsay, Bishop, Deanna, Nakia, Anaya, Giovanni, Mackenzie, Stalin, Hannah, Jaden Munoz, thank you. Andrea, thank you. Good, good, good. Crystal, how you doing over there? You okay? Leonard, how about you? Zayden, you all right over there? How about you, Donovan? Victoria, I haven't heard from you. You guys away from your laptop? All right. Okay. If you're interested, I'm going to give you about 10 seconds to take a picture of that if you would like. Okay. All right. Now, Okay, so here's what your problems will look like. Stop doing that to me. Okay. 4 to the 2x minus 2 equals 32 to the x, right? So now we can't use 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is 64. So 4 is not going to work. So what do I have to do? I have to turn this 4 into 2 to the second. I'm going to change this 4. I'm going to change it to 2 to the second. And then I'm going to bring down 2x minus 2. Right? And then I'm going to change 32 I'm going to change that 2 to the 5th, because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 32. And I'm going to bring down the x. Now I've got the 2's matching here. So I've got 2 times 2x minus 2, right? Because as Shania says, we cancel out these two, the bases, the 2's, equals 5x. Distribute 4x minus 4 equals 5x. Since I have x's on both sides, I'm going to minus 4x from both sides. And I get negative 4 equals x. Okay. Negative 4. Booyah. Yeah. Okay. Whoa, look at this. That's what? Oh no. This is too hard. Nah, watch. Oops. Okay. 7776 to the x plus 5 equals 216 to the 3x minus 5. Now, the trick is, like, you know what? I'm just going to try 216. What's 216 times 216? Well, that's 46,656. So that didn't work, right? But I know, does anybody want to tell me what number I would use for 216? Offhand, I don't know about 7776, but I do know 216. What does anyone know what number I can put in for 216?
6.
Yeah. Yes. So what is 216? I'm going to just punch in my calculator. 6 times 6 times 6. 3 times. So 216, in fact, I'm going to do this. $216 is 6 to the third. So I'm going to use 6 here. I'm just going to type on my calculator. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. 1296. That was 4 times 6. 7776. 5 times. So this was 6 to the 5. All right. Now I got the bases the same. Cool, man. Bring down x plus 5. Bring down 3x minus 5. I'm going to go ahead and distribute if that's okay with you. I get 5x plus 25 equals 9x minus 15. Okay. So I'm going to, I'm going to add 15. Five x plus 40 equals 9x. And I'm going to minus 5x. 40 equals 4x. Divide 4. X equals 10. Notice that I don't write x equals, just the number, okay? That, if I started the beginning of this class and showed you that problem, you'd be like, oh my God, right? But that was really easy, wasn't it? Can I please have a thumbs up to tell me that you're still okay, please? Mackenzie, Shania, thank you. Deanna, thank you. Lindsay, Javion, Stalin, Leonard, Jaden Munoz, thank you. Lindsay, Andrea, Nakia, thank you. Hannah, thank you. Hey, I didn't hear from you, Victoria, Donovan. Bishop, I haven't heard from you since the beginning of class. Thank you, Bishop. Jaden Harris. Donovan, thank you. Okay. Crystal, you okay over there? I haven't heard from you, Zayden. Thank you, Jaden Harris. All right. Now, please, I'm asking you, begging you, please check your grade book right now. All right. Okay. Thank you, Jaden. Appreciate that. Yeah, could you please, yeah. If you did not do the fast test, could you please go ahead and do that? And once you do that, if you have not yet done the assessment, I need you to do that. Would you please email me, or if you do it during class, tell me that you've done it, and then I'll give you the grade for it, okay? I'm just giving everybody a 100 just for doing it and submitting it, okay? I'm not going to do anything for anybody who doesn't do it. I'm just going to leave it, all right? Okay. Please tell me now if anything is wrong with your grade book, okay? If you have a 0 and you did the assignment, please tell me now so I can fix your grade, okay? Because I'm submitting my grades tomorrow. Otherwise, please start your Delta Math assignment. It's the exponential equations one. You'll note I don't have it in the grade book yet, all right? And that's because it's not third quarter yet. This is going to be your first third quarter assignment, okay? So I won't actually put it in the grade book until probably Thursday. All right, good morning, Chase. Okay. So go.
Was
Talk to me.
I fixed quiz 9 well the best as I could. If I could still get credit for that.
Let me take a look. Quiz 9. Okay, Mackenzie. Okay, Mackenzie. I updated to let me know that you're good with what I updated to.
We straight.
All right. Okay, Stalin, thanks.
I'm done, Weiss.
All right. Shania, if your grade book is good, you're up to date, you're okay, then have a good day. Say no to drugs.
Thank you.
If you're done with today's assignment, Stalin, yes. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Okay, good morning, Ivy. Sorry about that. So I will, I'll email the video as soon as I end class. Well, not right as soon. You'll probably have to watch the recording. Abby, will you please check your grade book make sure that you don't have any zeros for work that you did, okay? If you see a 0, but you did the assignment, please tell me so I can give you credit, okay? Chase, you too. Check your grade book. Okay, Jaden, if your grade book is good, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Peace. Or pussy. Pussy to you too. Johnny, are you talking about quiz 10? Okay. I'm gonna check that right now. Oh, okay. Giovanni, I already had given you credit for quiz 10. Are you talking about the assessment? Leonard. Oh, no. No, I gave you credit for quiz 10, Giovanni. I put it in last night. All right, Anaya, if your grade book is good, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Leonard, I'm going to check it right now for you. Yes, Lindsay. Lindsay, wait a second. Lindsay, you did the assessment. I gave you credit already. You're good. Deanna, if your grade book is all good to go, have a good day. Say no to drugs. Yeah, I actually had asked you to complete it last week, but if you can do it today, that'll be fine. The link is in your grade book. All right. I need about 30 seconds before anyone else talks to me. I'm going to check out Leonard's grade here. Oh, that was a form. Hold the phone, hold the phone. I'm coming, Leonard, I'm coming. Leonard, I don't see it. So here's what I need you to do. If you did it, do you have some kind of notification that you did it that I can put in the grade book? Because I don't have it. It doesn't show that you did it. Really, Bishop? Can you try closing your window and reopening Delta Math, see if you can find it? Jeez, that is so weird. Leonard, I just put the form in, I private chatted you the form that I don't have you for doing. All right. I'm going to try something here. Bishop, hold on a second. Okay, Bishop, try now. Do you close your window one more time and go back one more time? Man. Could you try like another browser? Like if you're using Google Chrome, could you try like Microsoft Edge or Firefox or something? I don't understand why that's happening. Hannah, if your grade book is okay, you're good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs. Okay, Giovanni, let me take a look. Yes, please, Bishop. I'm really sorry about that. I don't know why that's happening. I don't have a understanding on that one. Okay, Giovanni, I gave you credit. Lindsay, you're welcome. Lindsay. Hang on, Leonard, I'll be right there. Okay, Lindsay, I updated your grade. Leonard, nice job. Okay, I updated your grade, Leonard. Giovanni, you're welcome. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go wake up my daughter. All right. I'm going to end today's meeting. If you have find that you have a 0 that you need credit for, email me today, okay? Today. So I make sure I get your grade in tomorrow. Okay? Please make sure you've checked your grade book and everything is good to go. Have a good day. Say no to drugs.